Microtutor is a freely accessible platform that offers interactive virtual light microscopy courses. Microtutor courses are designed to facilitate self-learning, and because the virtual course materials are always available, you can work through Microtutor courses on your own time and at your own pace. Microtutor Live builds on Microtutor by offering the convenience of a virtual course with live help from expert instructors. One of the challenges in using self-learning tools like Microtutor is getting answers to your questions. So if you're the sort of learner that prefers direct interaction with an expert instructor and fellow students, or if you're like me and are more likely to get things done when you're working on a set schedule with deadlines, then Microtutor Live is for you. To offer live instructor support for virtual Microtutor courses, Microtutor Live uses a flipped classroom course model. As a student in a Microtutor Live flipped classroom course, you will be assigned homework in the form of virtual lessons. We expect homework will take most students about an hour per week, and you'll have several days to complete it at your own pace. A typical Microtutor course runs over several weeks. The number of weeks depends on the topic. You'll be assigned homework lessons to complete each week of the course. You'll need to complete the homework before the weekly 1-hour virtual group meeting, in which you and a group of about 10 fellow students participate in a discussion moderated by a Microtutor instructor. The Microtutor instructors are expert microscopy educators from all over the world. For each course, we recruit enough instructors to maintain a low student-to-instructor ratio for the discussion groups, to make sure that your questions are answered. In addition, discussion groups will be offered at various times, so you can choose a time that works well for your time zone. Each week, the course will end with a guest lecture. Guest lectures will cover additional topics that build on the Microtutor virtual course content. The last guest lecturer will give a special keynote seminar on microscopy tool development or biological applications that are relevant to the course topic. We hope you'll join us for the next Microtutor Live course. Enjoy!